Boston, Massachusetts, going to the airport, then go through Ted Williams Tunnel to reach the airport, Logan International Airport. And this is Boston, Massachusetts. Horizon building. Logan Airport. So we are approaching the Ted Williams Tunnel. Yeah, so we are under the tunnel, approaching the Ted Williams Tunnel, which is part of it is under the sea, the Pacific Ocean. The part of this tunnel is under, so we're into the Ted Williams Tunnel, like now. Yeah, so a part of this tunnel is under the Pacific Ocean. This is under the tunnel, and this tunnel is under this Pacific Ocean. This is Boston, Massachusetts. Ted Williams Tunnel, going towards the Logan International Airport. This is the Boston Logan International Airport. Boston Logan International Airport in Massachusetts. Alright, so this is all these cars you see going to and from are Uber cars, taxi, Uber drivers. So this is a location where the Uber cars wait until they get a ride, then they go around to the arrival. So this is the Boston Logan International Airport. So this is the Uber driver waiting lot. All these cars are taxi, Uber, Lyft. So that's a little preview on what's going on the Boston, Massachusetts side. All these cars are Uber taxis and Lyft. So this is where the car waits until they get a ride. Then they go around to the arrival and pick the riders up, their passenger, move on to the destination. So all these cars are taxi, Ubers, Lyft. I get a ride. So moving on. So everyone here are drivers, Uber drivers, female and male. All these cars are taxi. Cannot come in this parking lot unless you're an authorized Uber or Lyft driver. Yeah, so this is Boston, Massachusetts. Boston Logan International Airport. We're going towards the arrival. Pick up riders.